Quarantine t-shirts are trendy since the pandemic outbreak. Entrepreneurs and print businesses start making their own COVID-19 t-shirts. Personalize your own now with Miscreen, portable digital screen maker. But before you continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Lower the handle and your frame is pulled through as the image is transferred onto the mesh. Miscreen prints up to 300 by 210 mm with a resolution of 200 dots per inch. Digital Screen Maker is the easiest system to create a digital screen for screen printing. No chemicals, no wash-ups, solvents, or cleaners needed. It includes a straightforward, easy-to-use instant screen print kit, which will help you to boost the production of your business. Miscreen eliminates all time-consuming traditional process of screen making. Feeling bored at home because of the quarantine? Worry no more! Personalize quarantine shirts for business or to raise funds to help people. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texgraph.com.